Hello, in this demonstration warm-up in my sketchbook, I'm going to do a continuous line drawing study using Posca pens. So it'll be continuous until I have to switch to my next color. So let me just get started with this blue that you can see. Anyway, it's going to be a continuous line drawing using Posca pens. It's kind of graffiti-like. And the purpose of this is to work on layering these acrylic markers. And what I like is, like, as I continue with this, some of the paints mix, and the quality of the Posca pens is sort of matte and chalky, which I like. Sometimes I use these drawings in my paintings or actually paint a little bit more on top. And I don't have any particular plan in terms of the color scheme. I'm just using the Posca markers that I have. And I notice as I go along, the movement of the line changes, which is fun. So I don't have to use all the same mark. And some curving, and I've got some sort of jagged. Going to put some gold in. Usually I put this on kind of liberally, and then what happens is I keep layering. Usually those gold marks shine through here and there. If you don't have Posca pens, you can use color pencils or other markers. I just happen to like the chalky quality of the marker. And I'm making quick decisions as I go. Um, like right now, what I'm not liking is I'm wanting more contrast in there. I'm going to go in with a red. And I just keep going until I get something that I feel satisfied with. So now this is changing kind of dramatically. The white is closing in. I've got some see-through layers, which I like. And at a certain point, sometimes I do abandon the continuous line and I go into picking out certain spots where I want to bring in more specific color. I also have some copper. So it's starting to get, the paint is starting to get thicker. It's starting to blend in a way that's maybe a little bit muddy. So this might be a point where I stop, wait for it to dry, and then come back and add more. But I'm not going to do that since I'm showing you as much as I can. Yeah, so starting to lose some of my contrast because the paint is getting so thick. But like I said, if I let this dry, then I can come back and build up some more solid layers. But this is a great lesson to practice. Again, color interaction, building an integrated background. Hard for me to stop because I want to add more. Okay, so there's enough going on there that I like, that later, like I'd probably come back and pop out these turquoises a little bit more. In some of my mixed media paintings, I often use portions of these studies cut up and embedded. And with a little bit of gold here. Okay, continuous line drawing graffiti, mark making with Posca pens. Okay.